Hey man, do you see that boss over there?
Yeah, I see him.
Like, look at how he has it, bro. I just want to be a boss, you feel me?
Bro, you're a boss in your own way. Think about it.
You know, actually, I am a boss.
Further ado, aka Young Boss, man. If you ain't about working for that pay, then get lost, man. We productive over here. I work my game like a job, man. And my words will sting you
Boys,
like police.
today I decided to do another vlog style video. Haven't done one of these in a long time. We're gonna do this in all vlog format. First thing that I want to do today before I do anything else is I want to play 1 or 2 games of PUBG. I haven't played it in literally 3 months at this point. I just want to see what's going on in that game. And then I'm going to go hit the gym, and then we're going to get started on that install, which will be tomorrow. Wow, I do not remember how to play this game. We're going to give it a shot, though. Alright, first game didn't go so hot. I'm going to give it one more chance, and I don't know how I feel about PUBG anymore. I've been playing a lot of Fortnite.
And I take it right to eat, then the panties be dropping. Whoever you think the realest, I'm aiming right now to kill him. I treat the flow like an onion, I chop it up and I cut it. You ought to know that it's nothing, I'm rhyming straight out the oven. I whip them out by the dozen, I lay it down and she love it. I love whenever they chase me, I'm driving your baby crazy. You kinda mad that you ain't me, and all these rappers who gazy ain't got no time to be lazy. I'm doing work till they pay me, and on the day that I make it, I'll crack a bottle like Shady. Yeah. Young boss man, ayy, young boss man.
I'll see you when I get home. Bye, Tess. Woo! That is loud. Hi, dog. Here's the plan. We're going to quickly swing by the coffee shop, get some coffee, and then we are going to go to the gym. I'm going to save the coffee for work. Just getting it early. Hit the gym, then I got to go work, and then I will see you guys tomorrow for the install of the Camber arms.
It's a favor on schedule, but never dater, yeah. Young boss man, you oh so swell, Young boss man needs no help, Young boss man hot as hell, Young boss man kissing by himself, Young boss man,
Thank you.
ay, young boss, you what? Young boss man, ay,
Too.
young boss man, you is young boss man, ay, young boss man, you are young boss man, ay, yeah, young boss man, ay, young boss man, you what?
This coffee right here is from a local coffee shop called the Glenview Grind. You might actually be able to see it in the background of this video. But this coffee that I'm drinking right now specifically is so good. It is chai latte mixed with espresso. So it's got that like bitter aftertaste of espresso, but that like sweet chai. It's so good. Woo! I think I've been really congested the past couple days because like my car has not sounded loud to me, and I think my ears are just really clogged up. Because today she sounds loud, boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is loud. Alright, we're about to be at the gym. I'll catch you guys when I catch you guys. Boys, today's finally the day that I've been waiting for a very long time. I'm finally going to be installing some new Camber arms. Urgh, so heavy, Jesus. Now, I've had this Camber in my rear of this car since last December. It's literally been a year I've been driving like this. Thankfully, I haven't been on these tires for a full year. But anyway, I'm going to be installing these Camber arms so we can get an alignment in 2 days. And then we're going to be set. This is going to be nice. Hopefully, it won't make that noise anymore. The Camber arms that we are working with today are from a company called True Heart. This is Camber arm number 1. Here it is. It is actually pretty solid. These were a little bit expensive. Supposedly really, really good Camber arms, so I'm about it. So I'm going to start on this side just because I have better lighting over here. It should be the same on the other side, so I'm probably only going to show you guys one side just to kind of keep it a little bit shorter. Hopefully it's the same exact thing. If not, I'll record the other side too. First up, taking off the tire. Let's do it. So fortunately, I picked the harder side to work on right now. The side with the exhaust is actually harder. You have to figure out a way to get to those bolts and navigate around the exhaust. I'll get to that in a second, but the first thing I'm gonna do is work on these bolts. So you have to disconnect this. This is the camber arm right here, or like the upper control arm, I guess, right now. And then up here, so here's a control arm. Up here, there's a bolt on each side of it. You just have to get those off. So I'm gonna have to get under the car a little bit and get them. Probably gonna put a really long extension on the impact and just see if I can impact them off. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on these. I'm gonna impact it off for sure, 100%. Should be super easy. Wow. I think I might have to hook up the big compressor. That was pretty crazy. That thing didn't budge at all. Hold up. I'm gonna hook up the big compressor, try it again. Damn, boys, nothing. All right. I'm gonna spray it with some PB Blaster, and then I guess I'm gonna have to take a breaker bar to it. Yeesh. Oh man, it's turning the whole thing. Okay. Oh God. It's not the boys. Alright, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Breaker bar, wrench. I'm just gonna do that until it comes off. I'll get you guys when it's off. It's just so hard to do while recording, Jesus Christ. So I got it off pretty easy that time. Before I actually take this pin out, this kingpin, bolt, whatever, I am going to go under here and take these out because I don't want this to drop down, this whole wishbone assembly to drop down and get in my way while I'm doing the other side. I'm gonna go undo those and then take this off. The bolts under here are 14 mil. I got a long extension. I'm gonna just hook it straight up to the impact gun and try to impact both these off. Hopefully I can get the camera angle set up. Brick. Boys, so you can't see me, but you can probably hear me. I got it most of the way out, and then it just seized. Don't really know what I'm going to do about that. I have to figure that one out. This is going to be a bitch. Alright, I'm going to PB Blaster that one that got stuck, and then I'm going to have to probably get like a swivel joint and try to use that to get the other one off. I'll let you guys know how I do it right after. I gotta do it, man. I don't know how to do it.
With bad behavior, introduce you to my flavor. Smoother than any glacier. I do her like it's a favor. On schedule, but never date her, yeah. Young boss man, you oh so swell. Young boss man needs no help. Young boss man, hot as hell. Young boss man gets it by himself. Young boss man, ayy. Young boss man. You what? Young boss man, ayy. Young boss.
Oh yes, boys. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, thank God that's out. Alright, so I got that one out. I guess I'll get started on putting the new one in. I know I have to like set the length on the new one to approximately this length. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the other one started on the install. I think you have to put these 14 mil bolts in first, just to get it kind of up there, just thread them on. I'm gonna do everything loosely first and then kind of put it all together. I don't know, we'll see. I think it's really hard to tell how far to adjust this baby out when it's not on the car. But I tried to match it up as best as I could to the stock one. I'm fairly certain, I saw in a couple videos that this bracket, I really don't know what it's for, goes on the passenger side. So I'm just gonna install it here. So these 14 millimeter bolts are threaded in. They're not tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and jack this hub up and try to line this up and try to fit that kingpin bolt through. That's gonna be my next thing. Here we go. Okay, I think I gotta bring that. Oh, there we go. That's pretty close, boys. I think I gotta just get a screwdriver through it or something. Let's see. All right. That is in. I kind of want to see. I should probably tighten that down before I do this, actually. Yeah, boys, I gotta tighten down those 14 mil bolts first. Makes more sense. Way she goes. I got the 14 mils bolted down, and then I just actually ran this kingpin through. I did what I was doing earlier. I was using a 1/4 inch socket extension to kind of go through and line it up. And then I just took the kingpin bolt and kind of like pushed it through as I pulled the 1/4 inch extension out. So it was basically holding it in place as I was pushing the kingpin in. Went in pretty easy. You just had to like hit the camber arm a little bit to knock it down into place. Right now, I'm going to just throw the wheel on just to test the camber, see how it looks. If it looks good, we'll bolt this down and we'll be done with this side. If it doesn't look good, I'll adjust it. You know the deal. You get it. It actually looks pretty good. Check this out. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like pretty much square. Because it's in the air and it's pretty much squared off. That means when I put it down, it'll have a little bit of camber. I think it'll still have less than what it had before. But luckily, I'm getting an alignment, not tomorrow, but the next day. So it should be okay. That being said, I'm just going to take this off, bolt down that kingpin bolt, and this side's done. I'm gonna move on to the next side. Pretty much it, boys. I don't really have much else for this video. The guys over at 1/6 were the ones who sold me these True Heart camber arms. They claim that they're really, really good camber arms, so I'm excited that they're finally in. I'm excited that this car's finally going to stop making that annoying ass noise it's been making from the tread wear. If you guys like the video, please hit that subscribe button. We're a growing channel. It's been awesome lately. Join the club, join the boys. Please leave me a like on this video if you did watch it, and maybe you're thinking about doing this kind of thing. Maybe I helped you out a little bit. Scratch my back for me a little. If you didn't like the video, well, I don't know how that's possible, but feel free to leave a dislike if you dislike the video. Let me know why. As always, I'm Yanni Knowles. You guys are the best. Have a nice day.